Are you trying to threaten us with this trap? Don't remember, you guys live in here only because of my generosity. If I wish, the bulldozers of the area will come. Silly demands! This is our job at stake, you rampant!
Yes, we supported you for our demands too. And now the contractor is threatening us and beating us and forcing us to leave CITU.
Yes, if we join you, we'll be fired immediately. Come on, Raghavan, there is no use of staying here. Come on,
Wait, come on. So you're saying you're not going to support us anymore? No. What will you do? Traitors, come here. I will beat you.
Wait. This is exactly what the owners want. They want us divided. But we cannot fall for that, okay? Parvati, I understand your concern. And Ghulam Rasool and Raghavan, your concerns too. We must be united and form a union against these owners. Please forgive us. Come with us. Please come with us.
Okay, we will join you.
So, everybody, let's go. Inqilab Zindabad. CITU Zindabad.
Inqilab Zindabad. CITU Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. CITU Zindabad. We are united now. We are united now. We are united now. We are united now. So friends, we have shown you the real picture of everyday workers' life. I know many of you can understand the struggle of everyday workers' life. So before we leave, we just want to tell you that only we can change our lives. So every worker should join the union and intensify the strike. Halla bol, halla bol, halla bol, halla bol. लड़ने वाले, हल्ला बोल. पढ़ने वाले, हल्ला बोल. जीने के लिए, हल्ला बोल. हक के लिए, हल्ला बोल.
Roll back all empty worker laws.
Our demands have to be considered.
We will unite in the fight. Roll back in your men. Roll back and say, we are united now. Our flag flies high.
Against every injustice.
Struggle is our slogan.
Against every exploitation.
Struggle is our slogan.
Against every injustice.
Struggle is our slogan.
Against every exploitation.
Struggle is our slogan.
Against every injustice.
Struggle is our slogan.
Down! What is happening here? This is enough, okay? Don't beat them. Yeah, running houses, don't beat them. Come down. I will make sure you won't do this again. Get the flag. Stop it, okay?
In 1989, in Jantapur, Saftar Hashmi and his troupe was performing the play Halla Bol. They were interrupted. A political mob armed with iron rods and sticks attacked the troupe. Saftar was brutally beaten. Even though he was taken to the hospital, he died the next day. They thought by killing the person, they could kill the boys. But they were wrong. 2 days after, Saftar's wife, Maulaya Shri Hashmi, came back to Jantapur. She stood on the same ground in front of the same people and finished the very play. So today, we finished it for him. Halla Bol. And only once, one thief got saved. And everyone believes him. Why leave him? I think because that's the only version they know. People are bloody ignorant apes. be fair, you know him.
But you took me for him.
Well, you see, the task, the strain, the waiting. I confess, I imagine once again. Why doesn't he put down his hands? How do I know? Say something to him. Look, I see nothing. Come, look, his neck. Oh, I say, a sword. It's the rope.
Leave him in peace. Can't you see he needs to rest?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look like 6-7 floors were taken out. And the floors are exploded right now.
Just a moment, we got an explosion inside.
In the aftermath of the terrorist attack, we are left with the same question. How could one person do this to another? Why do people become terrorists? There is no single reason. It's not simple. It is complicated.
They are not that crazy. Most are psychologically normal. So it's not madness, it's something deeper. It often begins with feelings, anger, injustice, not belonging. These don't create terrorists, but they make people vulnerable.
Think of it like this. Many feel frustrated at the moment, but only a few face the law. Step by step, violence feels justified.
Radicalization happens slowly through people, ideas, and groups. It gives justice and makes violence feel meaningful. Understanding this matters because prevention starts here.
Not matter to them.
She mattered to you.
No, that was not enough.
What do you want?
I did not want her life to end quietly.
This is not revenge. This is refusal.
Some of you have lost something. Some people call what we do dangerous.
What do you call it?
Necessary. The word only listens when it is disturbed.
If we do nothing, will anything change?
No,
If we do something, will they listen?
they always do.
I did not want my mother to disappear quietly.
This is the moment the child chooses direction.
You should stay together. That's how you stay safe.
Safe from what?
From being forgotten.
We already forgot us.
Then you remind them.
Are we bad people?
No, you are survivors.
What does that mean?
It means you are protecting what is yours when no one else will.
So we fight?
You stand your ground.
So we are strong?
You are necessary.
No one said the word terrorist. No one needed to.
If we do this, will we matter?
You already do. Let's just make it visible.
They will call us terrorists.
They can call us whatever they want. What do we call ourselves? People who refuse to push.
Do you think I don't accept the responsibility? I do, but not alone. Chances don't happen in isolation, neither the consequences. This is where my story stopped being heard.
Every thought leaves something unfinished, and every story told creates space for another.
Was formidable one of the 20th century, the epic theatre by Bertolt Brecht, and I really appreciate the effort made by the group.
How was the drama, please?
Too good. She was so natural to acting.
So realistic. I love Deepthi. Deepthi has a future in acting.
Oh my god! And what about Krishna? I missed the opportunity to see your drama, but I know you nailed it.
No, we wish we were her acting as a lover.
Everyone did.
Yeah.
Isn't it like everyone did really good, like all the acting and all these things. What about
They acted so well.
Nice, no? You people enjoyed, right?
Having
Refreshment given by Asha ma'am. Yeah, please.
Finally
over. Drama assignment. How was our drama, please?
very loud.
was the mother in talking to terrorists.
Well done.
Very
She's not remembering.
it's okay. In another life.
Very natural acting.
Of Jogi.
Since ELT class is getting faster, we will be taking
chef. Session.
Show me.
You look good. Very good. This one after 3 years when I will upload, no, after 5-6 years still you will find in YouTube. Even if your videos and all the things will delete, this will never delete.
Oh, that's the video. I thought it's the photo.
You also thought that's the video. After 5-6 years you will see all these videos, okay?
Yes, guys.
Go do.
Okay guys, എല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞു ഫൈനലി ദിസ് വിൽ ബി അവർ കോർ മെമ്മറി. ഇവിടെ ക്യാമറ ഇവിടെ കോർ മെമ്മറിയാണ് ഗൈസ്. ഇല്ല ആരുണ്ടത് അറിയില്ല. എടുത്തു. ഹൗ വാസ് ദി എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ടെററിസ്റ്റ്? We did it guys. This time my dress didn't tear up. Finally, yeah. ടെററിസ്റ്റ് എല്ലാം ആയോ? ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കായിരുന്നു നമുക്ക്.